The challenges for test automation teams today are multifold. As technological advancements push newer tools and skills into the test automation landscape, leading to more demand for specialized skills, deep learning curves, and longer automation cycles, and the high effort and cost of keeping test automation in sync with software updates. Here's what we believe: that algoQA can be a game changer. Design test cases once, then execute them across platforms and technologies. This low-code, write once, execute anywhere approach enhances efficiency and minimizes redundancy, supports diverse tests with the comprehensive streamline approach that assures thorough application testing, empowers testers of all skill levels, democratizing test automation level, reducing dependency on specialized experts, eliminates the risk of vendor logins, seamlessly integrating with various tools and adapting effortlessly to changing requirements. In a world of evolving challenges, algoQA reimagines testing. Embrace the future of test automation.